guys, mayroon tayong laruan para kay Tyler. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging reaction niya sa laruan na yan. Tingnan natin, dito natin ilagay. So, may araw dito. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano ang... Hoy! Ayan. Tyler! Ayan, tawagin natin si Tyler. What is this? What is this? What is it? Check it out. What is it? Huh? Go get in there. What is it? That's Tyler's bike? You want to get in there? Okay.
Give me higher.
Give me higher?
Yes. I need to get out of there.
Yeah, it's all in. You like it? Hold together.
Wait. I gotta move my video yet.
Push. This one push. Should be.
Back up. Good.
Push your pedal. Balance your body. Push. See? Good, right? There. The other one, okay. Ready? Handle.
I'll turn him around where if you want to move, you can. No, the other way. The other way.
Right here.
We are stuck.
No, that is sleeping still. Right here. What do you want to say? Hello, guys.
Hello guys, the week enough and the mommy walked the house. Now we can get home.
We're gonna ride our bike.
And now we are in. Mommy, get my bike. Get it out. You use it, Mommy.
Okay. This is day 2. We're gonna try to
And now
make Tyler figure out the bike.
It's immoral.
Okay. See you soon.
Bye. Now the house is blocked.
Okay. Come here. Go back. You're getting there. Don't be scared. Okay. Okay, you're getting there, huh? Okay, now sit down. Sit down. Hold it strong. Put the butt in there. Sit down. Hold the handle. Now feet in the pedal. Feet in the pedal. Now you're gonna need to push. Okay?
Mommy, push me.
Push the feet. Okay? Mama will push the other one. That's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, stay in there. Mama will push the other one. Push. See, push. Now push the other one. Push. Keep pushing. You're doing good. Don't be scared. Push. Now push the other one. Push. Now push. The other. Push. Now push. Push this one. push. Now this one, push. Now after the other one, this one. Yeah, you're going to get there if you push too much. You push. Push. Push the other one. Push the other one. Now, the shotgun. You can still push. No. Stay in the pedal. Now push. Keep pushing. Push. Oh, focus. Focus your feet. Focus. Pedal. Look at pedal. Pedal. Say pedal. Now push. That's push. 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 Keep pushing. Push the other one. Push. 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 No pedal. You're getting there. You're getting there. Don't be scared. Hold strong, honey. Hold strong. Pedal. Push. Okay, Tyler, pedal now. Okay. That. Straight. Now Tyler can pedal. 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 Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push. Uh-oh. Stay your feet, shoes in the pedal. Yes, you can. You can. Pedal. Keep pulling. Show to daddy. Show to daddy. Come on. Push it. You're doing good. Push. No, you're okay. You don't need. You can do it. You can do it. Go push. Pedal. Pedal. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Don't stop pedal. Yes, you do it. I go. Hey, no, you're okay. You always straight your feet, please. On the pedal. Now go ahead. Don't move your feet. Okay, that's good.
Stop.
Because the shoes.
Stop.
Hold it strong. Pedal. Pedal. Drive strong. Drive strong. Don't stop pedaling. Come back here. What do you mean? Huh? Why not? Put that there so you're done?
Right there. You just can't win the bike. Going the bike away.
Keep pedaling. Pedaling, push the pedal. No, the other side. Because you stop. You don't need to cry. No, I push you and then pedal now. See? Hold and pedal. You don't need. Crying doesn't help you. Just pedal, pedal. You're doing okay. You just push it. Pedal. You're okay. See? Told you. You're okay. You just pedal. Oh, you drive so fast. Now you're gonna cry if you stop. Pedal. Here you go. Hello guys, today is the day 4. Tyler is trying to learn how to pedal with a training wheels right here. So there he is. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, watch
I
out.
use my pedal.
Your helmet? Yeah, you just have to remove it. So we're gonna put old socks on this handle because yesterday he was like bruising because of holding too tight on this handle of his bike. So we're gonna try again our day 4. Okay, yeah, get in. This is our day 4. Remember the pedal, hon? Yes, remember the pedal. Can you pedal now? I push you a little bit and you get the rhythm. And see, I told you not. See, stay that in there. You don't need to move your feet. He's moving it. He's moving it. So always straight, okay? Oh, ayan guys, marunong na siya. Slow down, Han. See, you need to slow down and drive straight. Feet straight on the pedal. Straight in the pedal. Don't get mad. Straight, not side. Straight, not side. There you go. On, see, you're not gonna fall. Be careful. Just slow down. Good job. There you go, guys. Meron na talagang improvement. So, ayan. Bye for now and thank you all for watching. Flat in the pedal. Push. Push. The more it's uphill, you push. Push. Pedal. 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 Pedal, pedal, push more, pedal, more strong, more knees, push your knees, flat in the pedal, your feet, pedal, I'm here, I'm watching you, push more, it's uphill, push more, your knees, push more, flat in the pedal, flat in the pedal, your feet, flat in the pedal, drive straight, you're drifting. What now? No, we're not gonna sit down here. No, I don't want to sit down. I'm cold. It's windy. We need to keep driving. What? We're not driving no more. Then why we come to park? We just come here to sit down? Oh no. We need to go then. Go home. It's cold. Or then get up. Okay, then we go back. This way.
This way, go. No, we're going to the park.
Okay, then drive. Flat in the pedal. Flat. Your shoes, look at your shoes, what happened? It's not flat and straight. Straight it. Straight. Look at the feet, please. Can you look at this? What is this, honey? Flat and straight and flat and straight. Now, you ready? Push it down. Now, push it down. I push you. Oh my. Look at straight, honey. What are you doing? You're going to the grass. Drive straight. Oh, look at the feet. What happened? What happened? Flat, flat, flat. Flat. Slow down. Slow down. You're dancing. Oh. Oh, you're... You're going home? Okay. See, bye-bye now. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you soon.
Straight, strong arms. I'm okay. What happened? Oh, it's cold. No, it's okay because you're not doing it right. Your shoes.